This is a video on how to set up the Unity client for your translation purposes. Go to the unityintercom.com/download-landing-page, and on that page you'll see the Unity Intercom client apps, and select the one that works for your computer or iPhone or Android phone and install it. Once you're done there and you start the program, you'll see something like this. Now this is the Mac version. If I show you the PC version, it looks like this, slightly different. And I'm going to, on this particular one, I'm going to use the Mac version for my demonstration. So I'm going to close this, but basically it's the same kind of setting. So you'll come to a screen when you start it. It'll look like this: blank username, blank password, settings, login. And you want to select the direct connection setting down here. And when you have that selected, go to settings and enter this, peterskin.selfip.com and the number 20101. When you have that set, go back and enter your username and password, which will be provided separately. I used one called Talent A, and 1234 is the password here. And you click on log on and you will get a screen like this. Now you will get a message like this: you must select one or more channels as listen or talk before you hear audio. You can just click on OK on that, and what you'll have is one channel assigned to you, and it will probably say Talent A or User A or Endpoint A. We don't have determined the actual label on that yet, but basically you want to turn both of them on. So now you're talking and you're listening. At this point, we need to go to the settings screen here and click on continuous log on and continuous talk mode. And then the headset you have used on your computer or iPhone or iPad has to be selected in this screen right here. So you want to select the headset you're using, and the speakers, you want to select the headset you're using here. So you do not want to use the speaker built into the computer or the microphone built into the computer. Once you have those set, you can close this screen, and now you're basically ready to go. Your microphone is on. You're continuously talking to the main studio. If for some reason you need to momentarily turn off your microphone, you can turn this microphone off right there. Just click. But remember to turn it back on, or you will not be talking to your person you're interpreting with. It's also very important that you set up your interpretation area away from the people you're interpreting, ideally in a totally different room. Otherwise, they will hear you as an echo. And that's pretty much it. Any questions? They can refer you to me and I will talk you through it.